Okay, parents, the video that I gave you or sent to you did not start from the very beginning on how to add the student's account if you already have a Google account set up for Google. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. Okay, so here we have, I pull up my Google email search engine, and I have a Google account because I have a face. You may have a little icon or something, but you click here and you click manage your Google account. You click on your Google account again and then click on add another account. This is where you would put the student's account number. I'm going to do that and then come back. Okay, once you have added the student's account, it will come up here. So now you can use this same site and then go to Seesaw. Okay, you come here and then you click log in. I am a student, so this is my information. Now you want to look up here to make sure that the right person is here. So this is not the right person. So I need to go make sure I have the right person. So what you may have to do is you may click on your account, manage Google account, then click on the person that you should be under. If that doesn't work, what you may have to do is go to um, go back to your account, click on you again, and then sign out of all accounts if it doesn't work. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to try again to um, I'm going to try to do the account again, sign in under the account. Okay, so what happened was you will have to log out of all of the accounts because it would not register the new account that the student's account. So once you log out, you click sign in again. Your email address is going to come up, and then you click again, and then my email address came up. Now here is where you are able to um, click on the account that you want to sign into, and then you put in the password. One moment. Okay, so now I am in the account. So I'm going to close all of the other account information, and I am in the account. So now I'm going to go to Seesaw. And log in as the student. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. It should register. If it doesn't, then you click on who you want to log in under, and it will bring up because it remembers your email and your password, the student's email and password, so you shouldn't have to put it in, and this should bring it up. When you bring this up, it was going to show you what is pending, what the student has out here um, that needs to be completed. So you click on that and then look for her or look for your class because you have multiple classes. Click on the class, my class, you will see the activities here and you click on the activities. Now again, when you are completing an assignment, you do not click on the icon or the attachment here. You actually click. The first thing that the instruction says is to click on add response. So you click on that first in order to go into the assignment, and it brings it up to where you can write on it. And again, these pens and pencils, the one that it auto defaults to is the marker, which is very thick. So you may want to click on the pencil, which is thinner, for you to be able to write on. And once you have completed the assignment, then you click on the check mark to save it and then submit it. Okay. So if you have any questions, please, please, please email me. So hopefully this recording, which started from the very beginning, will assist you and help you out.